No. Children, in this video I am going to explain the topic relation. As I told you earlier in previous video, relation is the subset of Cartesian product. In flowchart I explained it. Now let me explain the definition and concept of relation. That is your exercise 2.2. Now, relation from set A to set B. Definitely for making a relation we need to have at least two sets. Okay, that two sets will be from set A to set A also. Relation between itself. Okay, A to A. Now, here I am taking A and B two sets. Relation from a set A to set B. Let A and B be two empty sets. Then a set R. R is again a set, relation set. Is said to be relation from set A to set B if R is a subset of A cross B. Now mind it children, I told you relation is a subset of a set. Since we need to form a relation from A to B, that means we need to take the subsets of A cross B, and that will become relation. Okay, so relation is subsets of A cross B. Since phi is subset of every set, then relation can be phi or relation can be all elements of A cross B. Okay, now subset is what? 2 to the power n, where n is the number of elements present in that particular set. Since relation is subset of A cross B, then definitely the number of relation will be number of A P and number of B Q. Then number of relation from A to B will be 2 to the power A cross B. That means number of A cross B is what? PQ. So 2 to the power PQ. The same concept of subset. Okay. The total number of relation from A to B will be 2 to the power PQ. Or total number of relation from B to A is equals to 2 to the power Q into P. So number of relation from A to B or B to A will be same, but ordered pairs are not same. Okay, now consider the two sets. Set A 1 and 2 elements are there, and in set B 4, 5, 6. Then A cross B, Cartesian product of A and B has 6 ordered pair because 2 into 3 will be 6. Now just see here A cross B 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. It is written here. 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. It is written here. Total number of subset is this one. From these ordered pair, we can make a relation from A to B for given condition here. Because A and B, if A and B is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, then these are the ordered pair. Out of these 6 pair, you can make relation. Okay, that's why relation is the subset of A cross B. This is the superset of the relation. A cross B is the superset of the set relation R. We can obtain a subset of A cross B as a relation R between the first element X and second element Y of each ordered pair XY. What does it mean? XY. This is your ordered pair. Ordered pair yani 1, 4. 1, 4 is the ordered pair where 1 belongs to set A and 4 belongs to set B. These ordered pair are responsible to make a relation. Relation means 1 is related to 4. 1 is related to 5. 1 is related to 6. 2 is related to 4. 2 is related to 5, 2 is related to 6. So how a relation can be represented in set builder form? Just see. R is equals to, since in relation ordered pair be the element, therefore it is written as x comma y. This is your ordered pair such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Now what kind of relation we need to take here should be specified after this statement. Here the rule of relation is y is equals to 2x. This relation I need to pick from these ordered pairs. Okay, now this is set builder form. Now it will be converted into roster form. How it is? By taking the rule, that rule is y is equals to 2x. Now x means elements of set A. Elements of set A is what? 1, 2. So if x is 1, then y will be 4. That means this ordered pair is valid for the relation set. Okay. So x is equals to 1, that means 1 and y is equals to 2. It is not here, sorry. It is not here. If x is 1, then y will be 2. Okay. It is not here, that means this is not present. If x is 2, then y will be 4. If x is 2, 2 into 2, y is 4. Now just see here 2 and 4 is there. That means this ordered pair is valid in relation set. Okay, 1, 4 is not valid because the relation is y is equals to 2x. So x की value 1 लोगे, y is 2, that means 1 and 2 is not here, therefore it doesn't belongs to relation. But if x is equals to 2, the y is 4 and it is present here, that's why 2, 4 belongs to relation set. So this is 2 is your x and y is your 4 is your y. This is your roster form and only one element is the relation set of A cross B. सिर्फ एक ordered pair का relation है. Okay, by arrow diagram, I have explained here by arrow diagram also set A, that means 1, 2, all elements are present here. Set B, 4, 5, 6. Here only 2 is related with 4 as per the given condition of relation. So 2 is related with 4, it is depicted by arrow. 2 to 4 arrow is there, that means 2 is responsible to make relation with 4. Okay, R is equals to 2, 4. Now what are the remarks? Just see here. Let R be a relation from a non-empty set to A to non-empty set B. If A comma B belongs to R, that implies A is related to B. A, R, B, it is denoted by this one. A is related to B. Okay, by the relation R. If A, B doesn't belongs to R, that means A is not related to B by a relation R. Okay. Now I have explained earlier, number of A is P and number of B is Q, then total number of relation from set A to set B is 2 to the power PQ using the concept of number of subset, that is 2 to the power n. Now in relation children, three key points are there. In relation we need to find out domain, codomain and range of a relation. And most important type of question that will come in your exam. Okay, now let R be a relation from a non-empty set A to non-empty set B, then the set of all elements of the ordered pair in the relation, mind it children, in the relation set, you don't need to go for a Cartesian product. Whatever relation you took from Cartesian product in a set R is called domain of the relation. दैट मीन्स R में जो ऑर्डर्ड पेयर है, फर्स्ट एलिमेंट ऑफ दैट ऑर्डर्ड पेयर विल बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर डोमेन, जो जिससे रिलेशन बनाता है. हेयर A रिलेशन B से बना रहा है, दैट मीन्स A इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर डोमेन. ओके. Now, the set of all elements of the ordered pair in the relation R is called domain. The set of all the second element of the ordered pair in the relation R is called range of the relation. जो set R में है, the first element of that ordered pair will be responsible for domain and second element be responsible for range. If R is equals to under curly braces xy, then x will be your domain and y will be your range. And the set B means second set, is called codomain of the relation R. Set B में जितने भी elements हैं, all are codomain of the relation. Now just I am explained it by arrow diagram that I explained earlier. Now here Cartesian product is this one, and as per this rule the relation is this one. Okay, then R set में 2 4 ordered pair is valid here, therefore 2 is domain and 4 is range. And what is codomain? The set of the elements of second set. Second set is B. B के elements are 4 5 6. Just see here, 4 5 6 codomain. Domain of relation is 2 and range of relation is 4. Is it clear? That means we need to find out a relation R either in set builder form or roster form. Then we have to specify the domain, range and codomain. Okay. Now in NCERT, question number 1 is there in NCERT. Just see here, let A is equals to 1 2 3 4 3 to 14. Define a relation R from A to A. Okay, 2 sets are here, A to A. By the relation ordered pair xy relation, you have to take 3x minus y is equals to 0, where x and y belongs to A. Write down its domain, codomain and range. Okay, the relation is here children, y is equals to 3x. Just see here, A is this one. Now A is this one, then what will be the Cartesian product of A cross A? That is 14 into 14. These kind of ordered pairs are valid. Okay, now for relation we need to take subset, and the rule of subset here is y is equals to 3x. Now just see, x is 1. If x is 1, then definitely y is 3. That means 1 comma 3 belongs to A cross A, and that means 1 comma 3 be in relation set. If x is 2, y is 6, 3, 9, 4, 12, 5, 15. Is 5, 15 belong in A cross A? No. That means we need to stop here till 4, because 15 is not present in set A. Therefore 5 cannot make relation with 15. That means only 4 relations are valid. R is equals to this one. Now since this is your relation set, that means, as I told you, domain is the first element of ordered pair in relation R. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 is your domain of relation. It should be in curly braces children, because it is a set. Range of relation 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. Then what will be the codomain? Codomain of second set. Second set क्या है? A ही है. That means whole 1 to 14 is your codomain. By arrow diagram, I have explained it in arrow diagram also. Just see 1 to 14, 1 to 14. 1 is related with 3, 2 is related with 6, 4 is related with 3 is related with 9, 4 is related with 12. A relation says that A cross A. This is the way of representation of arrow diagram. Now domain of relation D of F 1, 2, 3, 4. Range of relation 3, 6, 9, 12. Codomain is 1, 2, dot, 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 40. Clear? Now question number 2, children here. Define a relation R on the set N. That means you have to take natural number. By R is xy such that y is equals to x plus 5. And x is a natural number less than 4. X is your now domain. That x should be less than 4. That means x will be 1, 2, 3. X and y belongs to natural number. Depict this relation under roster form yani listed form. Write down the domain and range. Now I have explained here with arrow diagram. Since x is less than 4, that means it should be 1, 2, 3. And the relation given here y is equals to x plus 5 is, if x is 1 then y will be 6, x is 2 y will be 7, x is 3 y will be 8. That means definitely 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8. You can do it by yourself in roster form. The ordered pair will be 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8. And the domain of this relation is 1, 2, 3. Range is 6, 7, 8. And codomain is natural numbers. Okay. In question number 3, we need to take A and B are given. Define a relation R from set A to B. A and B both are different set given. What you have to take in a relation, that is xy, the difference between x and y is odd. X belongs to A and y belongs to B. Write R in roster form. Just see here. If we need to, here we need to take difference between x and y. X is definitely 1. 1 minus 4. Is it odd? Yes. I have written here 1, 4. Okay. 1, 4. 1, 6 and 1, 9. 1, 9 is not valid because it is 8 and which is even number. So 1, 4, 1, 6 is valid here. Just I have written here. Just see. Now 2, 4. No. 2, 6. No. 2, 9. Yes. 2, 9 is there. Then after 3, 3, 4. Yes. 3, 6. Yes. 3, 9. No. Then after 5, 4, yes, 5, 6, yes, 5, 9, no. Just see here. 1 in relation set, 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 9, 3, 4, 3, 6, 5, 4, 5, 6. And now you can do by yourself definitely what will be the domain. The domain is first element of ordered pair in relation R. It is 1, 2, 3, 5. Range is 4, 6, 9. Codomain is 4, 6, 9. Arrow diagram B hai. Yeah. Question number 7. Your relation is first order element is x, second is x cube. X is a prime number less than 10. Prime number less than 10 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. X is related with x cube. 1, 1, 2, 8, 3, 27, 5, 25, 5, 25, 7, 343. Domain is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 and range will be 1, 8, 27, 45, 125 and 343. Okay, this way children you have to do exercise 2.2. 4-5 questions I have already explained. Total 9 questions are there in exercise 2.2. I hope this topic is clear to you, and if you have any doubt then definitely ask your doubt. Okay, thank you.